Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long. Like it's been a while, but it hasn't been a while. So I tried to vlog in Paris. That was a fail. Like I did bring my camera with me places, but I wasn't really like talking to y'all, like to the camera and stuff. So I just decided to trash that idea. Because I was like, if I'm gonna do a vlog, let me do like a proper vlog, talk to people, you know, instead of just like showing footage. I might just still do that. I don't know. It's still like an idea in my head, but hi, that's my point. Hi. But what do I have planned for today? So first of all, let me tell you something. I'm all in my self-care era, but like, I feel kind of funny saying that because like, why am I not taking care of my... Actually, never mind. Yes, I am in my self-care era. It's like sometimes when I get all depressed and stuff, usually during the colder months like winter, I just stay home. I don't do nothing. I don't go out. I don't socialize. I barely reply to text and stuff. But I decided this year to take things into my own hands and go out. So the goal is like every week I want to do something. Like at least one thing. It doesn't really have to be like some eventful thing. I just want to like step out the house every week, do something that I enjoy, whether it be like just go to the beach and relax for a bit and go to like a cafe on the beach, or go to a workshop like I am doing today, or even like, you know, go to a library to get some things done there. Just like, you know, something that brings me joy. As an introvert, it is so easy to just like get stuck in a routine and just like stay home all the time. So that happens to me often, where I'll just stay home for weeks on end, honestly. Sometimes I just feel like going out, like getting ready. Just like to get ready, just to go out for a few hours, spend money, okay. I'm just like, I really just like stay home in the comfort of my bed and either blog or watch anime, basically be inside, you know. But this year it's really like for my birthday. My birthday was last month, so it's really for my birthday. My resolution is to be more social and meet more people. And how do you meet people? By staying inside, you know. So yeah, that's my goal. So today I signed up for a workshop at Lush Cosmetics to just do like a bath bomb. Honestly, I'm just going for the fun of it because I'm not the only thing from Lush that I actually tried and enjoyed was their lip scrubs. I know that my mom really loves their products, and they're really good. They're natural as well. So I'm nothing against Lush or anything like that. It's just that I don't use their products all the time. And even for their lip scrubs, I haven't bought one in so long. That bath bomb that I'm going to make today, honestly, just going to sit somewhere, sit in the bathroom or something. I'm never going to use it because I don't take baths. So, but I felt like it was like a cool thing to just like do, like learn how to make a bath bomb. So I'm just like, you know what? Let me go and see what's up. And then afterwards, there's an event going on at Hotel Pulitzer. It's called like Flora House. So they're going to be selling plants and they're going to have like live DJs. I wonder if it's going to be on the rooftop. I don't know. But I'm just gonna go there, see what's up. I'm not a plant mom. I don't plan on being a plant mom. I suck at being a plant mom. I've tried, y'all. I've tried so many times to be a plant mom, but like my aloe vera plant died. That's how bad of a plant mom I am. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for the vibes. Then I'm gonna go to an art gallery. There's one happening this weekend, and I think it's only this weekend. So it's like a unique exhibition that will showcase local artists and I think some international artists. But here's my thing with Europe in general that I don't like, is that whenever they say international, it's just like someone from an European country. You're not going to see like an Asian person or anything like that. You're just going to be like, oh, it's international, the guy's from Prague or something. Like, okay. Like, yes, technically it's not, the art is not from your country, so it is international. But to me, if the person's still like from the European Union, it's not international, okay? Also, I filmed this makeup look for you guys, so if you're interested, it's going to be the video right before this one. But I'm running late, so let's go. Lord, you guys, I'm finally home. First of all, can we just like take a moment to appreciate how good my makeup still looks? Mind you, when I first talked to y'all when I was doing my hair, it was 11:15, and now it is, hold on, now it is 5 p.m. Mind you, I was like walking around, it was kind of sunny today-ish and stuff like that, so I still look good. Anyways, yes, so I had such a good day today. I went to the Lush workshop thing for the bath bombs, as you saw earlier, and it was actually really fun. And I got to take away the molding tray actually. So that, and they said, well, the lady that was like helping us, like talking us through like the workshop and stuff like that, she said that we needed to like wait 24 hours before using the bath bomb. But I don't use bath bomb, I don't bath, so I'm not going to use it. I'm probably going to like give it away or something like that. And we also got some goodies at the end of the workshop, so let me show y'all. We got some samples. So this is the Barbie pink shampoo. Like, the packaging is so cute. I wonder what I'm going to like use it for, like once I'm done using it. But really cute packaging. This is a Snow Fairy bath gel bath. How do you call it? Gel soap? How do you call it? Oh my gosh, I can't, like my brain is not functioning right now. But yeah, it's like the gel soap thingy they use to shower gel. How did I forget that? Yeah, so this is the Snow Fairy shower gel. I'm probably going to use it tomorrow so that I can be done with it. And then this is the Snow Fairy hydrating cream, body cream. It smells really good. And the lady said that the aroma is supposed to be lime. I don't smell lime though, but guess what it looks like? It is like pink, like a bright Barbie pink. It smells really, really good. I'm probably going to use this tomorrow along with the shower gel so that I can be done with it. Because I don't know why, but like samples just like stress me out, so I'd rather just use them all. Oh, and then this I'm really excited about. The thing is, we did try it in store. It is the Snow Fairy exfoliating body scrub, and it smells divine. Like they all smell the same, but like I don't have to really explain the smell. It smells like a citrusy bubblegum. Like that's how I would describe it. So imagine like the smell of bubblegum, but add some like citrus to it. Yeah. So yeah, so as I was saying, this we tried it in store, and I love how like soft my hand felt like when she was like washing it up. I was like, oh okay, like I'm probably going to go back in store and buy it, because like my skin was just like so soft. Like I don't know how to explain it, but like the grains are not even that thick or anything like that. But she did say that some ingredients of it are jojoba oil as well as cocoa butter. So I think that's where the softness comes from. So she tried this, and then afterwards, once she rinsed it off, she did put some body cream, the Snow Fairy body cream. And you guys, when I tell you like my skin is still like so soft from it, I didn't really have to like reapply hand lotion today, and my skin feels like so smooth and soft. It's just like I can tell the difference between like this part of my body and my hand. Like that's how good it is, and it just feels like baby skin, like so soft. I don't know, but like I'm sold. That's the moral of the story. I'm sold. I'm probably going to go back to Lush and get some of their body scrubs or body lotions. And then at first, when we first got there, we played with some of their Play-Doh that she said that we can use on our bodies. I have to like look it up on their website to see. Ooh, the smell though. To see exactly like what I can use it for, but we got to keep it. So yep. And then here is the bath bomb. So it was so cute. Like she put it in their packaging, like the Snow Fairy packaging, and she also put the label with the ingredients. So that's really cool. And yeah, should I show y'all what it looks like? Let me open it. So this is the bath bomb fairy thingy we did. Listen, I want to like turn it over so that you guys can see, but I don't want to like spill it all over me. But can you guys tell what it is? Oh wait, wrong way. So this is the fairy, and then the powder is here. So what we did, we just like mixed the two powders, like the pink powder and then some baking powder, and then it's getting in my mouth. And then we just pressed it onto the mold. So she said that it's supposed to like stay in there for at least 24 hours so that it can all stick together properly and stuff like that. For 24 hours before use. So yeah. That's for Lush.